Hello everyone. This is assignment number 3 for biodiversity protection, farmers and breeders' right. Question number 1 is the Biological Diversity Act 2002 mandates the implementation of the provision of act through which system it is decentralized system. Question number 2 is the regulations to provide for access to biological resources and associated traditional knowledge thereto and for the determination of fair and equitable sharing of benefits shall be made by the central government. Question number 3 is which case deals with judicial intervention of constitution of BMCs? It is Chandra Bhal Singh versus Union of India and others. Question number 4 is the maintaining and validation of People's Biodiversity Register is the responsibility of Biodiversity Management Committee, that is BMC. Question number 5 is the form and particulars to be contained in the PBRs have to be specified by National Biodiversity Authority. Question number 6 is the Biodiversity Management Committee shall be constituted by local body. Question number 7 is as per the Biological Diversity Rule 2004, what is the main function of BMC? Main function is prepare People's Biodiversity Register, that is PBR. Question number 8 is which among the following is not an option for sharing or of monetary benefits under the guidance on access to biological resources and associated knowledge and benefit sharing regulation 2014. It is joint ownership of relevant intellectual property rights. Question number 9 is section 22 of Biological Diversity Act 2002 deals with what? It deals with establishment of state biodiversity board. Question number 10 is advising the state government on matters relating to the conservation of biodiversity, sustainable use of its component and equitable sharing of benefit arising out of the utilization of biological resources is the function of National Biodiversity Authority, that is NBA. Question number 11 is taking measures necessary to oppose the grant of intellectual property rights in any country outside India on any biological resource obtained from India or knowledge associated with such biological resource which is derived from India is the statutory function of what? National Biodiversity Authority, that is NBA. Question number 12 is the officers and other employees of National Biodiversity Authority shall be appointed by National Biodiversity Authority, that is NBA. Question number 13 is the salaries and allowances payable to the member and administrative expenses of the National Biodiversity Authority including salaries, allowances, pension payable to or in respect of the officers and other employees of the National Biodiversity Authority shall be taken from National Biodiversity Fund. Question number 14 is the Biodiversity Management Committee is constituted shall consist of chairperson and not more than 6 persons nominated by the local body of whom not less than one third should be by women and not less than 18% should be belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. Question number 15 is the state government in consultation with central government may frame rules for the management and conservation of all heritage sites. Thank you.